Did you know that you can access your Claude AI with single shortcut on your desktop? If not, I'm going to today show you how you can do this. So now I'm going to show you quickly preview how is it looking. So I pressed shortcut on keyboard and you can see I can directly type to Claude what I want. Or even better way, I can press again shortcut and I can even speak to Claude what I want. And then if I press enter, you can see it's going to automatically create prompt, so you don't have to even write it. All right, so this is really insane, and I'm going to show you how you can do this. And the first step that you need to do, you need to download Claude for desktop. All right, so this is not working for browser, so you have to go to your browser and you have to search for Claude.ai download, and you want to download it if you have macOS or Windows. And after you download your Claude AI on desktop, you want to go to your profile, and in the settings, you will have option desktop app. And under that, you want to go to general. And from here is this magic shortcut. So you can message Claude from anywhere on your desktop, and you want to set the shortcut from here. All right. So if you click on custom and now you click on this, and let's say I will do option G, it's going to create the shortcut. All right, I'm gonna keep it on option plus space. So this is the quick access shortcut. So if I click option space, you can see Claude in the bottom of your screen, and you can start typing your prompt over here. And even better, if you don't want to type and you want to talk to Claude, you can choose this voice shortcut. So again, you can choose your custom shortcut, and if I press it right now, it's going to show you that I can talk to Claude. And now if I press enter, it's going to stop and you can see your prompt. And that's basically all for this video. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.